Hi everyone, I am Parth, and in today's video we are going to talk about 5 ways by which you can monetize your coding programming skills. Now it is possible that we are in school or we are in the early years of college and we are not looking for a job where we can come and work full-time and then earn money from our coding programming skills. It is possible that we are not interested in doing full-time internship. So what are the other parallel ways to monetize your skill? Now, in this video, we will not be discussing the job direction, we will be discussing different ways and opportunities to earn money. It is not necessary that you have a BTech degree, it is not necessary that you have a BCA degree or in fact any degree. All the opportunities discussed in this video, to do them, you just need to have skills and a little experience. Among these, the first thing you can use is freelancing. You must have heard a lot about freelancing, and there is a reason that it is heard a lot because it actually works. What does freelancing mean? There are a lot of portals and websites online on which you go and register. After that, those clients who need to build a product, for them you are making websites, apps, games, scripts and other things. Now, it is not necessary to be a pro coder to start freelancing. If you have a little bit of experience, you have made a few projects and you give your services at low prices in the initial stages, then you can get a lot of projects, a lot of assignments. The best way to approach this is to register yourself there, do 2 to 3 projects, you may have to do it at low prices, but as soon as you understand how much time it takes to complete a project, then you will be able to understand how to monetize your skills in a better way. Whether you should set a price on your skills, you will be able to analyze that better, and with time your skill will be better, and in this you can earn remotely at home using your coding programming skills. Let me give you an example. In my first year, I got my first internship through a freelancing project, which was an IIT Delhi startup where I worked in PHP. Now you can convert such opportunities for yourself through this process. The second thing we will talk about is to make some custom softwares for your local businesses. For example, you may have a big sweet shop or a cloth shop or even a tea stall. And these are the people who don't understand technology. In this case, if you go to a local shopkeeper, you can pitch them how you can make custom softwares for them to make their business better. It is possible that you are making a website for them that tells customers what they give, you are helping them to enlist on Google, it is possible that you are making a software to make their billing process faster, you have made a basic app to get customer feedback, so you can set up such things for local businesses. In the initial stages, you don't have to go to them and ask for a lot of money. In the initial stages, you can make some software for them and show them. You can make them freely available for 1 month, 2 months. And after that, if they feel that this thing is working for them, then they will definitely be ready to pay you for it. If I take an example of this, it is not a local business, but there were a bunch of students in my college, and what they did. On the college website, giving attendance was a headache. So they designed a basic app which was being used by every student for 6 to 8 months to track their attendance, so we used to open the college's website again and again, but everyone closed it and everyone adopted the way of the app, so in this way you can help. You have to identify a problem and then solve it. The third way we will discuss in this is that if you have any idea for your startup or your business, then you can actually implement it. There are a lot of startups that have come out of this ideology through this process. In fact, if I take the example of big companies, Google, YouTube, Facebook, all these co-founders knew basic programming. They thought of making something for fun or identified a problem and made something for it, and then that thing was so successful, so unique that in a very short time they had good revenue generated. Their business was very successful. So if you have a unique idea, you can actually implement it with the help of your coding skills. Don't look at it like this, that I will take 4 to 6 months to build this app, it will be a waste of time. Definitely, if you have graduated from college, then you can pursue this with a job. Otherwise, you can treat it as an investment in your college that you have an idea and you are investing in it. For example, the founders of YouTube worked on YouTube for 1.5 years and after that YouTube was acquired by Google for $1.65 billion. So it's not like your idea is worthless. It may be possible that you take something unique, something very good out of it. The simplest thing people do in this is that they make their idea like a website or an app. And they run Google ads on it first so that there can be a little monetization as soon as traffic comes there. So you can also do the same. Fourth idea is that you can participate in competitive contests or coding contests. There are many contests worldwide which have heavy prizes if you get a position in it. For example, ICPC, Microsoft's Imagine Cup, Facebook's Hacker Cup, Google's Kickstart, Hashcode, Code Jam and many more contests on different platforms where you can monetize your coding skills and have a lot of fun. In fact, we have made a very extensive video on this. You can go and explore it. We have also made separate videos on different contests, in case you are interested. The fifth thing we will talk about is writing your blogs. Blogs means that you make an online website or go to an already existing website and give your learnings about coding programming to others in a written format. Now many people may feel that I have just learning, how will I earn? Now there are a lot of websites in this like medium.com, Substack, Ghost where you can write your blogs and if you get traffic on those articles then you are earning from there or some people make their own portals to do the same thing, make websites from WordPress or by coding yourself in which you write your blogs. In fact there is a very famous coding website which had written a lot of articles in the beginning to help people in coding because in the initial stages, the coders get a lot of doubts, they learn a lot of concepts, and this way they brought heavy traffic to the website through these articles and there they used Google ads a lot because of which they monetized this platform a lot so you can also do a similar thing with your blogs. Now I hope these 5 things that we have discussed will be helping you somewhere. All for today, see you in the next video till then keep learning and keep exploring.